What's up, y'all? So I got to fly the Mavic Mini the other day, and yeah, I was impressed. I mean, it's a great little drone, and at that price point, come on now. But today I want to talk about the Parrot ANAFI. You know, Parrot drones kind of get lost in the shuffle a little bit, but they're really great drones, and they're not lacking in any features. Now, the Parrot ANAFI doesn't have any obstacle avoidance sensors, but what it does really well. And it actually does some things that no other drones can do, like flight planning, for example. Now, if you've been considering the ANAFI, or maybe you already have an ANAFI, I'm going to show you something that it can do that you might not know about. And the Mavic Mini can do it. But first, welcome to the Gadget Inspector channel, where we're into all kinds of drones and all kinds of gadgets. If you're in that kind of stuff, you're in the right place, my friend. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell. That way you'll know when I upload new videos. All right then, let's check this out. Okay, you guys, so what I want to show you today is something else really cool that you can do with the ANAFI. I really don't think people really know all that you can do with this drone. You can do a lot of amazing things. Okay, so as you can see, I have a point of interest here. Now, typically with most drones that have some type of active track or follow me or some type of subject tracking, you have to draw a box around it, and then you can maneuver, or you can have it automate itself. Those work really well, but sometimes it loses the lock on the subject. Well, there's a feature with the ANAFI called tap or touch and fly. And what it does is it allows you to place a point of interest based on a position or a point. So as you can see, I'm placing this point of interest here, and you can move this up and down, and it's essentially moving the camera position up and down, but it's basically targeting your focus basically on your subject. So that's a really cool thing you can do. And actually, let me bring it out so we can see. I want it to kind of point about there, I think would be good. Maybe a little less. That's good. Okay. What I want to do now, hang on, I'll bring it up a little bit more. A little bit more. No, that's too much. I'm sorry, you guys. I want to get the back, some of the background as well, which is why I'm kind of tinkering. 23 is good. That's perfect. Okay, now you can physically fly the drone, or manually fly the drone, I should say, and it's going to maintain that point of interest. See that? It's going to maintain focus on that point of interest. See how cool that is? Very smooth too, right? But here's what we're going to do today. We're going to show you how to use the automated features with this function, okay? So click on where you see dronies. We're going to do a dolly zoom. All right, check it out. How cool is that, man? Look how fast that sucker's moving. The first time I tried this, it scared me half to death. I thought it was about to fly away, but it's not. It's doing that function. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Oh, what a great shot. Probably could even bring the drone down in altitude a little bit. Probably would have made for a little better shot. Okay, let's try one of the other dolly zooms. Let's try this one. Let's try this one.
Okay. Really cool shot. Darn ANAFI moves out, man. Okay. So I'm gonna fly it towards the point of interest. And I'm just gonna kind of manually do some things here. Give it some altitude. And as you can see, it is continuing to maintain its focus on that point of interest. How cool is that? See that? How cool is that, right? Very cool. I'm going to slow it down a little bit so we can be a little bit more smooth. But there you go. Okay, let's try something else. We've got parabola here, so I'm going to bring the ANAFI down a little bit, and we're going to try this parabola. And basically what it's going to do is it's going to climb, go on the other side of the point of interest, and come back down. So there it is, doing its parabola, maintaining its focus on the point of interest. And it's going to come down on the other side. Let me make sure there are no obstacles over there, because the ANAFI does not have sensors, so you have to keep that in mind when you're doing these functions. How cool is that, huh? How freaking cool is that? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful shot. See that? Isn't that cool? And this is the kind of stuff you can do with this drone. You can barely hear that thing. Very cool. All right, so just wanted to show you guys that. Okay, now you can also do waypoints, so you know you can set up waypoints, but I don't really see a need for that when you have flight planning on this drone. Okay, it's time to bring the ANAFI home. Gotta get the my direction here and bring it on home manually here. Very nice. Wonderful drone, you guys. Wonderful drone. I mean, you can't go wrong with this little thing, man. Okay, so I hope you found that useful, man. ANAFI is a really great drone. I think Parrot drones seem to always get kind of lost in the shuffle. They usually, you know, don't get much hype. Parrot Bebop 2 was like that. The Parrot Disco kind of caught on a little bit better, I think. But I think what happens though is over time, as the price drops on these, and you know, people end up grabbing one just to try them out, they end up really liking these drones, and then they start to gain popularity later on in their maturity. Yeah, I'm gonna keep flying mine. I'll keep showing you different things that you can do with it, and you make the call. All right, you guys.